Hello everyone and good morning. Today is Saturday, August 9th at 8:53 a.m. We got the day I went out to look at today. So we got slight risk that encompasses northern Illinois, almost all of southern Wisconsin, extreme northern Michigan, parts of I think the only part of Minnesota, all of northern Missouri, a teeny tiny part of Nebraska, and almost the whole state of Iowa. The slight risk for today, and I have another slight risk that encompasses parts of Colorado, and a teeny tiny part of Kansas as well. And we have a marginal that encompasses parts of Nebraska, parts of Kansas, parts of Texas, parts of New Mexico, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Wisconsin, parts of Minnesota, parts of Illinois, parts of Missouri, parts of Michigan, parts of Wisconsin. The marginal for today encompasses some larger population centers in this area. It encompasses Chicago, Illinois, Denver, Colorado, Kansas City, Missouri, Aurora, Colorado, and St. Paul, Colorado. The slight risk for today encompasses Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa. We got a 2% for a tornado or two for. A teeny tiny part of Kansas, northern Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, the whole northern part of Missouri, extreme northeastern Kansas, and parts of Iowa. And another 2% for extreme east, west central Kansas, and not almost all, parts of Colorado as well. The 2% for today, some larger populations in this area, which encompasses Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Aurora, Colorado, and Lincoln, Nebraska. Today we got a 15 for parts of Nebraska, parts of Iowa, parts of Missouri, parts of Illinois, parts of Minnesota, and parts of Wisconsin, and extreme northern Michigan. And we got 5%. Y'all can see that from here. I ain't gonna say that again because I just said that on the other one. The 5% for today. Some cities include Chicago, Illinois, Denver, Colorado, Kansas City, Missouri, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Aurora, Colorado. The 15% today encompasses Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Rockford, Illinois. Health threat for today. We got a 15 and hatched for a part of Colorado, and a 5% for extreme northern Illinois, northern Michigan, almost all of Wisconsin. The 5% for today, some cities in this 5% today encompasses Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Denver, Colorado, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, and Aurora, Colorado. The 15 for today encompasses for Large Hill, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Pueblo, Colorado, Parker, Colorado, and Castle Rock, Colorado, and Cinnamon Hills, Colorado. Big Severe or hatched, we got a for the today encompasses Cinnamon Hills, Colorado, Black Forest, Colorado, and Lamar, Colorado. That is the day one outlook, and we can go to our day one fire weather outlook. If I can find it. There it is. It got elevated for south central Wyoming, the whole western side of Colorado. I almost forgot the name of that for a second. A teeny tiny part of Nevada, parts of Utah, and parts of New Mexico. Oh yeah, and the whole northern side of Arizona. Some of the population centers in this area include. Okay, there is no areas forecast, so that is good. Fire weather outlook legend, elevated critical extreme ISO dry, and scattered dry. We got an ISO dry for isolated dry thunderstorms today for west central New Mexico and east central Arizona. That is today's day 1 and day 2 outlook. Day 1 fire weather outlook and day 2 convective outlook. Well, I hope you do safe and say weather wear even if you're that marginal, because marginals can produce some severe weather. But again, I hope you do stay safe and stay weather wear, and I'll see you all around 1:58 for the day 1 fire weather outlook and day 2 severe weather outlook. But again, stay safe and stay weather wear. And I can. Yeah, I guess I could read this. Summary: a multiple severe / damaging winds south should occur, centered on multiple parts of Iowa, northwestern Illinois, Wisconsin, and upper peninsula of Michigan. Large to very large hail will be possible across parts of eastern Colorado in the vicinity of the vicinity this afternoon and evening. But again, it's a look up for today. Come back for the day 2 outlook. But again, I hope you do stay safe and stay weather wear, and I'll see you all around 1:58 for the day 1 outlook, day 2 outlook.